Hi my friends, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at these LED work lights. Let's go ahead and show you guys what you get inside the package. Alright, inside the package. So this is what the lights look like. Pretty cool little design here. Screw hole or bracket holes on the bottom. Here's the plug. Let's see, I'm trying to look if the plugs are... Doesn't look like they indicate positive or negative for them. Brackets. Alright, oh, so this is nice. This is really nice. They actually give you the positive and negative cable, so that is awesome. So all you guys would do is you would place your light in like this, just like that. Connect your positive and negative cable onto here. I recommend you guys hooking it up to an on-off switch so you can turn them on and off whenever you want. But it is a 2-pack. And that's what it look like, my friends. I love how they have a quick release here. Press this down and just pull it out. So what I recommend you guys doing is go ahead, run your cable. If you're going to set it on your ATV or your vehicle, run it to your positive and negative of your battery. And then what you can do is you can run a on-off switch into your vehicle or wherever you're mounting it at. And then run it back into here. And then obviously into the plug, just like that. I know it sounds hard, sounds confusing, but if you guys are familiar, and most people are who are ordering these, you guys are going to know how to hook up, positive and negative. Now you can also hook them up to your headlights as well on your ATV, dirt bike. You can mount this pretty much wherever you want. You could do both or you could do one. You can hook both up to the same switch or you could do one. That's going to be up to you. So you can mount this on a four-wheeler, on a headlight, on a dirt bike. Hey, I've seen people mount these on electric scooters and electric bikes. I mean, wherever you guys want to mount them, you can. Just know what you're doing.